I go to the supermarket here in the United States, and they are selling anything, canned food. Do I have to check the ingredients to see if there is anything halal or haram? Do you? You don't have to. You don't have to. You can just go and eat. And then, if you find out there was something haram, you stop. And if you don't find something haram, then it's okay. As long as you do not know it is haram. If I know it is haram, this is beef. Can I eat beef from Kroger? No. Can I eat ham? I can't. Can I eat lamb from Kroger? I can. No. I went to buy pasta. Pasta. Or say, what else? Some gravy. Or cheese. Or cookies. I can just take it and eat it. I don't have to go and check the ingredient. Unless I'm not sure. Unless I'm certain it's haram. If I know, that's a different issue. But I'm not sure. I go and take the cookie. This is cookies, right? I go and take it and eat it. But it's always good to check. So when do I stop eating these cookies? Only when you find out it is haram. When you find out and when you're certain. As long as you're not certain, you don't know, then you don't have to check. So the first thing is checking on doubtful objects to check their ingredient is a good thing. It's not mandatory. Okay? So let's keep that in mind.
What about, some cans like gravy or whatever, it says beef extract?
Yes, if it's beef extract, then it is haram.